Dear partners, hello to everyone. I'm Enrico Biolo, the CEO of InnoTech, an Italian company based in Verona, set up in 2020 like a spin-off of Informatica Consulting Group. As a group, there are more than 80 people of us. As InnoTech, we are more than 20 of them. We are dealing with the production, retail and distribution sector in the international market. So, for example, in Greece, in Spain, in France, in Croatia, in Turkey, and many other countries. The genesis of the InnoTech logo is made from two words, innovation and technology. That represents the way, the intent to evolve the market on the ERP. InnoTech is a build SAP partner. Therefore, we are able to provide the software solution fully integrated with SAP Business One, using a project management approach. As InnoTech, we are able to help partners with a full partner enablement program, such as with the documentation, training, and also support, obviously. So everything you need to build a strong partnership with us. Just to have a step back, regarding the quote of this summit session, follow the path to ERP Cloud. We are proud to underline three solutions of ours. The first one is Terminal One, our WMS solution that is an answer to those customers that want to have standard functionalities of SAP Business One, but on a mobile Android device. The second one is usolution.cloud, an integration hub platform fully developed on the cloud that helps you to integrate in an agnostic way systems. So it doesn't matter what kind of system you are going to integrate, because usolution is the help for that. The third one is LP1, our main solution, with more than 15 years of development. Is suitable for discrete manufacturing, and we changed the solution towards the cloud. We added some components, some features, for example, microscheduler, completely on the cloud, that you can use inside the SAP Business One client, in a browser, and even in the SAP web client. So just to wrap up everything, from our point of view, obviously, the key for the future is to be hybrid on the cloud. So don't hesitate to contact us if you require any other information for the future and to grow your customer business.